Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is August 29th. We've got the markets, well, they're kind of chopping around yet. Corn continues to gravitate a little bit lower, mostly on the heels, though, of the wheat market. Wheat is down. We've been down more than 10 cents at one point for wheat. Wheat's now down about 7 to 8. Corn, though, down about a penny and a half. We did make new lows, though, for corn. So that last supply and demand report, we had corn go down to 322 and a half. We did break down below that, but we're sitting right around that number at this point. Beans, though, however, trying to find a little strength today. Can we get back above this 970 area? Can we see a further push higher? These are all things we're going to have to wait and see what happens. But that overall, we still tend to make our lows in the month of September. And so we got to be careful moving forward. Big thing that we are going to see this week, Wednesday, we are going to release, Allendale will release our yield survey numbers Wednesday morning. And so we did see Pro Farmer come out with their numbers last week. What kind of numbers will we see from USDA? What kind of revisions are we going to see out on the 12th? So we've got to be careful as we move forward there. There's not a lot of news right now that continues to, or that's pushing the market quickly in either direction, but we do continue to gravitate lower as we get closer to harvest. These numbers are big numbers, and so we need to certainly be aware of that as we see some strength, and if we can see a little more upside here. But the wheat market, we took out $4 for wheat, and so new contract lows again for wheat. We did see some very disappointing trade overnight, and so we need to watch that. Can we see some kind of a low around this $4 area? But it needs to see demand pick up as well. We did have some further sales announced at 8 o'clock this morning on beans, 393,000 tons to unknown, and so we are continuing to make bean sales at these levels too. Looking at livestock, cattle, we did go down and make some new contract lows earlier this morning, but now trying to recover. Fat cattle down only about 30 cents at this point, but came off these lows. A lot of big supplies are looking, or as we go into September, we're expecting to see big supplies in cattle yet, and that's going to keep a cap on any strong rally that we may get at this point. Stock futures are working themselves a little higher this morning. Crude oil down about 70 cents. You got the dollar up 20. And so not a lot of news out there, still reacting to what Janet Yellen had talked about here last week. But give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. We'll chat with you again tomorrow. Take care.